Hello everyone. Today we'll be learning how to roll back endpoints. During the course of the video, there will be pause breaks. It is highly recommended to pause and try out the feature yourself during these breaks. Rolling back an endpoint is easy with Jetpatch. In this video, I'll be going over two examples of rolling back with Jetpatch. One where you know the exact vulnerability, and the other where you do not know what vulnerability is affecting your environment, but you do know the plan it is in. Let's dive in. Let's start with the first example where the user knows the exact patch that needs to be rolled back. The best way to do this would be going to Patches, Patches Catalog, and filtering down to the patch or patches that need to be rolled back. Next, select them, and then select Create a Remediation Plan. Once here, give the plan a name and description. It's important to state that if the rollback is an emergency, it's best to use an emergency remediation plan. If so, please also watch our emergency remediation plan video for more information on setting this up. Let's save and continue from here. The next page is probably the most important, as it is where the user will be selecting the action bulk remove, effectively rolling back the patch you have selected. Once the endpoint has been selected and the action set to bulk remove, select save and continue. Last but not least, choose your workflow. For today, a built-in Linux reboot workflow will be just fine. By saving and activating, the plan will be ready to go in pending on the Remediation Plans dashboard. The plan will then sit in pending until the maintenance window comes, and then it will begin the patching process. This is the first scenario of rolling back a patch. I'll pause here to give you a try to test this out. The second example is here to show you a quick and easy way to roll back an entire remediation plan with Jetpatch. This is common when a team cannot determine which patch is causing the issue and to be safe, would like to roll back all of the patches. The best way to do this is by heading over to Patches, Remediation Plans. Here, find the plan that is causing the issue. Today, it is the plan right here. Once you have found that plan, select the Duplicate button by selecting the three dots and then hit Duplicate. The plan should now show up as a copy at the top of your new column. Once there, hit Edit on the new plan. I highly suggest changing the plan's name to show that this plan is being rolled back. Next, save and continue. Here, like before, select Bulk Remove for all of the endpoints. This way, you ensure that the whole plan will be rolled back. Once done, save and continue. Choose your relevant workflows and you are ready to save and activate. As said before, by saving and activating, the plan will go into pending on the Remediation Plans dashboard. The plan will then sit in pending until the maintenance window comes, and then will begin the patching process. A quick overview. Today we went through the two scenarios of rolling back. One where you know the exact vulnerability, and one where you only know the plan it is in. Both methods are acceptable and easy ways to roll back your endpoints. Best of patching!